shit. Oh, that's that big homie. Y'all know to go check out the most hated bronze flat power guy. Hey, that's my guy right there. Y'all know to go check him out every day. He'll run a playlist. Nothing else, just run a playlist or run a playlist. You dig? Hell, I need to get me a couple burner devices so I can just keep playlists running. Cause hell, Lord knows everybody and their mama need watch time hours. Here's the thing that they don't tell you about watch time hours though, right? Right, your ass got to get 4,000 and keep over 4,000 to keep the monetization benefits rolling. But hell, that's not hard or easy to do. But hell, said it's not hard or easy. It ain't hard or easy. It's definitely hard, and it definitely ain't easy. Shout out to the big homie. Y'all know he playing in the back anyway, so he been here the whole time. Teacher be like, "You late to class?" No, I wasn't. My homeboy here be covered. He was taking notes for both of us. Yeah, I'm getting back around to that house a little late tonight, so we just gonna kick it. That's why the last January video was the other day. Anyways, I was already planning on kicking it because pattern recognition is what they call it. I done already seen the pattern that's going to throw me off for the next couple of weeks. But, you know, I make moves, I progress. Hell, we'll either get it fixed or get with it. Get with it. I ain't even got the right cigars today. I got these Four King flat wraps. Y'all know those are tobacco, and I quit smoking tobacco wraps a long time ago. But since those were the only things that store had on hand at that point in time, we got to do what we do. It can't be in my own way. You trying to smoke some weed or you trying to motherfucking not be smoking. Hey, pick your own struggle. You dig? Oh, I only smoke backwoods. Well, this store don't sell them. Well, go to another store. You're right. I'll be home in a minute. First store I went to that had a shit. I ain't finding them. I come home with whatever I came home with, and that was it. Should I put some wax in this bitch? Nah, I ain't trying to be zooted. Hell, I forget that I went live. Fuck around me in here. Y'all still talking about popcorn. We still here. We in the building. I ain't got none of this music playing. I ain't know what the DJ is though. Shouts out to the big homie. I ain't say it ain't nothing but DJ is like it ain't one of the main things I only listen to. Shit. I'm used to DJ is being in the background. No, was the song over? What happened? That don't sound right. See, we was head nodding and all of that a minute ago. Oh yeah, see this volume 32. Let me pause this real quick. I just want to give a shout out to the homie who be at the party that'll take all the roaches out the ashtray for you. Cause you know that'd be that one homie that was just looking out for you. He was like, "Man, you know what I'm gonna do for you? I'm gonna make sure I go through and clean out your ashtray for you, so that way in the morning your ass ain't gonna have nothing to smoke, and then you'll just be sitting there looking goofy, like, why the fuck are there no roaches in the ashtray? Cause you got that one homie that does that for you. They said, hey, I ain't gonna help you clean up the mess, but there's a mess